What's up, everybody? My name's Nate and welcome to Triumph Experiences. On this channel, we try out a new experience each week, and in today's video, we're kicking off a brand new segment called Tryumph Taste Test. In this segment, I'll be trying a variety of food and drink items from different chains to find out if they're actually worth the hype. In today's video, I'm trying 10 new Dairy Queen Blizzards and giving my impressions on each one. So the first one we're going to try is Choco Frosted Donut. I'm not really sure what to think about this one. I know I like donuts and I like ice cream, so I'm pretty excited. Let's try it out. Choco Frosted Donut. That's really good. It almost tastes like the Entenmann donuts, dipped in milk or vanilla ice cream. The next one we're going to try is Mocha Brownie Mudslide. I'm really excited to try this one because I love coffee, so let's give it a go. That's tasty. It definitely has a very strong coffee ice cream flavor with little tiny pieces of brownies in it, but they don't have much flavor, to be honest with you. And it only has like a slight hint of chocolate taste in it, but overall it's pretty good. I like it. Okay, so the next one we're gonna try is Choco Brownie Extreme. I know I'm gonna like this one because who doesn't like brownies? So let's give it a go. Get a nice chunk there. Oh yeah, look at that chunk. This one's delicious. It's got lots of chunks, really good texture, good flavor. You can really taste the chocolate and the brownies. This one's good. Okay, so the next one we're gonna try is the Nestle Drumstick with Peanuts. This one should be pretty good. I love drumsticks, especially when I was a kid. I used to have them all the time. And my favorite part about them was the little chocolatey cone at the bottom. Oh, that was so good. Anyways, let's give it a go. This tastes just like the ones from the box. Really good. Great texture. There's lots of like crunchy pieces of chocolate in there, if you could see. And the peanuts definitely stand out. Overall, this one's really good too. Okay, so this one is supposed to be cotton candy, but to be honest with you, it doesn't really look that special. It just looks like strawberry ice cream, if anything. It's kind of plain looking, but let's see how it tastes. Cotton candy. Yeah, this one's not great, to be honest with you. It just tastes like vanilla soft serve with like a slight taste of like sprinkly flavor, to be honest with you. Overall, not my favorite. Okay, so this next one's supposed to be strawberry mango mochi. I don't really know how to feel about this one. I'm not much of a mango guy, but who knows, I might be surprised. Let's see how it tastes. If you like mango, then you'll definitely like this. The mango is very strong flavor, and there's little chunks of it. I personally don't usually like mango things, but this honestly isn't half bad. I don't really taste the strawberry that much, but overall, it's pretty good. All right, so the next one I'm going to be trying is Strawberry Angel Food Cake. This one looks pretty good. I can see like the nice strawberry chunks on the outside. It looks very creamy, and I see little pieces of food cake in there. So let's give it a go, see how it tastes. That's really good. It tastes just like strawberry shortcake. Very creamy, delicious, good consistency. A lot of strawberry chunks, which we like. And overall, I just love strawberries, so this one is definitely a green light for me. All right, so the next one we're gonna try is Biscoff Cookie. I'm pretty excited for this one. It looks pretty good. It's got a good consistency, nice texture, a lot of crispy, crunchy pieces of Biscoff cookie in there. Let's see how it tastes. Biscoff cookie. This one is my favorite so far. This is a home run. I can taste like the cinnamon, a lot of crunchy but soft pieces of cookie in there that really go well with the vanilla ice cream. The flavor is powerful. It's really good. I think this is my top one so far. All right, so the next one we're gonna try is supposed to be Mexican style hot chocolate made with abuelita. I don't really know what that is, but I like hot chocolate, so I'm sure this is gonna be good. Let's give it a go. Mexican style hot chocolate. Okay, so this one's not my favorite, but it's decent, and it's got a very interesting flavor. It kind of tastes like almost spicy a little bit. It's got a very strong cinnamon taste, and it's overpowering, so you don't taste the chocolate as much. But it's all right. If you like this type of hot chocolate, then you would definitely like this. So the last one we're gonna try is s'mores. It's supposed to have graham cracker, chocolate, and marshmallow. It's got a good consistency, good texture. I see a lot of chocolate chunks and little pieces of graham cracker. Let's see how it tastes. Get a nice chunk. This is really good. It definitely tastes like s'mores. You could taste the marshmallow. Nice chocolate chunks. I don't really taste the graham crackers much, but overall, this is really tasty. I'd recommend. After trying all 10 flavors of Blizzards, here are my final thoughts. My favorite was the Biscoff cookie. The Biscoff cookie had really good flavor and lots of cookie chunks. My least favorite was the cotton candy because it was pretty bland. Overall, all 10 flavors were decent, and I really enjoyed this experience. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, let's try something new.